Abhinit Dhara, and today I have made something. Now you are seeing, what is this? Now this is a vacuum cleaner. Now I have made this vacuum cleaner with the help of, first you need to take two unused bottles. Now one should be smaller or very smaller than the other. Now you take a motor, you take a fan, which must be, the diameter of the fan must be enough to fit inside the bottle, it must not go outside. I took switch, a button switch, and some two batteries. Now you might be thinking, why did I take two batteries? Now I took two batteries for more power, as I made them in a parallel connection. Okay. Now what I did is I cut off the bottle from the end. I inserted the motor and attached the fan to the motor. Now I took one more unused bottle, which is the small, as I told. I attached a filter in it. As you can see, there is a white filter in it. Okay. Now I hot glued the top of the bottle to the big bottle, so that whenever any dust or germs comes in, it will be inside this bottle and will not go and disturb the fan. Now I took a bottle cap, I punched a hole in it, and I took a pipe which is big enough to fit these styrofoam balls and attached it to the pipe and closed the pipe. Now you must be seeing that why are there holes here? So how does the vacuum cleaner sucks in airs? Okay, so if it sucks in airs and there is no hole to make the air go out, then it can blast. That is why I have made a kind of vent right here. Okay. Now how does this work? When I click on this button, the fan inside starts rotating and sucks in air. Now when I bring this pipe close to these, you can see that it is all sucked in. As you can see, it is sucking in, and as I told you, it comes to the filter, means the styrofoam balls goes through the pipe and comes in the small bottle. Now when it comes in the small bottle, there is a filter behind, which I told you, the filter blocks these styrofoam balls from going in the fan and disturbing it. So this is how this vacuum cleaner works. Now what is the science behind this vacuum cleaner? So the science behind this vacuum cleaner is, the motor is attached to a fan which is moving in such a direction that it is sucking in air. And when it is sucking in air, the particles, in this case styrofoam balls, come with the air inside this tube and go inside the vacuum cleaner. So to make this vacuum cleaner work, the main things are the motor and a negative pressure. A negative pressure is a pressure which is created by this electrical motor and fan, which is taking in the styrofoam balls from this pipe. You can imagine this as when you are drinking a juice from a cup, you take a straw and sip it. Now you are able to sip it because first inside the straw you are vacuuming it. You are taking all the air in, as in the straw there is a low pressure and outside the straw there is high pressure. That is why you are able to suck in the water. The same case happens here. In case of water, this sucks in styrofoam balls or germs. Now this can also suck in water, but we should not do that, because if this sucks in water and the filter is big for the water, so the water can easily overflow and means it can wear out our motor and even the fan. So this is how my vacuum cleaner works. Finally, I would like to show you how should we get rid of the dust or the styrofoam balls present inside this. So I am going to suck in all of this so that you get a better visualizing. So yeah, it is sucking in, everything is being sucked. If you want the sucking process to be more good, you can use a bigger pipe. So okay, this is how it sucked. Now you uncap you just unroll or uncap this, and now you just dump everything out. As you see, all the styrofoam balls which were inside came out. So this is how we get rid of the germs or dust that is present inside this. Thank you.